In this video, I'll show you how to use index match to perform a two-dimensional or two-way lookup in spreadsheets. So this method is going to work for both Google Sheets and Microsoft Excel, or basically any other spreadsheet software that supports index match. So in this example, I have some waffle sales data that's in tabular or matrix form. And what I want to be able to do is to look up the sales data based on the month and flavor. So say I was interested in the month March 2024 and the flavor blueberry. I want this to return the sales for this combination. So in this example, March 2024 blueberry, I'm expecting around 220 in sales to be returned here. So to write the formula, we're going to do it step by step, and this is something I recommend to anyone who's trying to write very complex formulas in Excel. Always do it step by step and then use those smaller formulas to build into your longer or bigger formula. So the first step is to look up this month among the column headers here. So we'll use the match function and then select our search key, which is this month, and then select our column headers and then comma 0. So 0 is for exact match, and then hit enter. So it returned 3. So 3 basically means that this March 2024 is the third month among the column headers. So now we'll do the same for the flavor, but we'll look this up among the row headers instead. So same thing, select blueberry, and then we want to look this up among the flavors, and then comma 0 for exact match. So as you can see, this returned 2, so this means blueberry is the second flavor among this list. So now that we have this, we can then use the index function. For the reference, just select all the data that you have in the table, excluding the headers. And then for the row, you're going to select this flavor, blueberry. Since blueberry is the row headers, we're going to select this index, comma, month index, which is 3, and then hit enter. So there you have it. We were able to return 220, which is the sales for the flavor blueberry for March 2024. So now what I'm going to do is just to replace these references to the match formula so that I can get rid of this column. So I'll just copy paste this formula and then replace it with this, and then copy paste this as well, and then replace my reference here, and then we can just get rid of this. So this is our complete formula. So using this formula, we were able to do a two-dimensional lookup that is able to look up data that's in a tabular or matrix form. So I hope you found this video helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe.